So we shall continue further. Due to some uneven circumstances, I was unable to complete my full 8085 microprocessor pin diagram. So continuing it, yes. So like 80, 81, 82, 83, these are the pins which stores the address of the input which is coming from the peripheral device to the microprocessor. So now here you can see ALE signal is there. As soon as the control unit of the microprocessor will command ALE signal, ALE, that is, yes, it is having a specific meaning in the microprocessor that is read by the microprocessor itself. Yes, so as soon as the ALE gets enabled, there the address will start passing from the peripheral device to the microprocessor, and as soon as its value gets lowered, that is 0, disabled we can say, so the data will be fed automatically and it will get stored inside the latches. Like, I'll tell how these various processes in a very clear manner in the form of diagram in the coming video lectures. So till then, understand it like this way. So what is this VCC? This VCC, you will be knowing it like it is a very supply. From VCC, the supply which is there, which is normally equal to 5 volts. So whole circuit, this whole control unit or whole command, given out by the control unit, holds any data which he want to for within a clock period, like within T1 state or T2 state, or within 2 seconds. If you want to hold the data, then through this command we can hold the data. And CLK out, clock is given in order to give out some kind of data to the from the microprocessor to the peripheral device. So clock out is given. So maybe 1 or 0, and reset in means any data which is coming to the microprocessor from the memory or from the input of peripheral device will get erased, and finally it will be reset to 0. And ready is the command. As soon as the user is ready to type its input or is ready to work, then this ready symbol will tell you that he or the user, maybe anyone, is ready to type something or ready to code. Okay, so you can see S1, and these are the input signal we can say. So what is RD dash, WR dash? So RD dash is anything you want which is already being written inside which is already being stored inside the primary memory by the peripheral devices, is read by the microprocessor. So microprocessor reads it from the memory. So then read will be 0. Read will be 0. Read will be 1 and write will be 0, because reading is being performed now. And write, WR, will be 1 when the microprocessor writes it in the memory for permanently, like for always, like anything. And as soon as the data which is written inside the main memory, that is ROM, random read only memory, so it will never get erased. That is due to unfortunate circumstances, like anytime if the light is off or the signal goes off, then it will retain in it. That is, you will get it. So these A5, A15, A14, so these are written in descending order. Like very higher unit is, higher will start from this one contains very large bit of address, then this will contain some lower bits address, then it will continue on this. So we shall talk about these various functions, these commands, or these timing and control. We cannot say timing, but these are the control commands which is given by the control unit of the microprocessor in later use.